Ready to expand your horizons? Buying a home out of state is not just a move, it's an adventure. And guess what? We've got the roadmap to make your interstate home buying journey a breeze. Why buy out of state? The first advantage is it could mean a diverse investment, different states, different markets. Diversify your real estate portfolio effortlessly. Another reason is a new opportunity. Whether it's a job transfer or a lifestyle change, buying out of state opens up a world of possibilities. Here are some key considerations for buying a home out of state. Research. Every state has its own real estate laws, taxes, and market trends. Do your homework to avoid surprises. Start with virtual tours. Can't visit in person? No worries. Virtual tours are your best friend, offering a close-up look at potential homes. Make sure you are working with local experts. Partner with a real estate agent who's a local expert. They'll know the ins and outs of the community, schools, and amenities. Here are the basics you need to know to make a smooth transition. Make sure you get pre-approved before you start shopping. Secure a mortgage pre-approval before you start house hunting. It's your golden ticket to knowing what you can afford. Know what your closing costs will be. These can vary by state, so budget accordingly. Your local agent can provide a detailed breakdown. Let's look at the logistics. You will want to budget for an inspection and appraisal. These are non-negotiables in some states and loan programs. Especially when buying sight unseen, make sure you trust the professionals you hire. Shop around for good moving service. Look for moving companies experienced in interstate moves. Get multiple quotes and check reviews. And we cannot forget about the legalities and paperwork. Each state has different state laws when it comes to buying. Laws, property rights, escrow process, and even contract details can differ from state to state. Your real estate agent and attorney can guide you. You'll also need to shop for a good homeowner's insurance agent. If this is your first home, you'll want to chat with your insurance provider and make sure to shop around. You'll need homeowner's insurance to cover the new property and location. To wrap things up, here are some quick tips. Set realistic timelines. Interstate home buying usually takes longer. Plan your timeline to include extra days for travel and unexpected delays. Always have a plan B, whether it's temporary housing or storage. Be prepared for last-minute changes. Buying a home out of state might seem like a giant leap, but with the right preparation and team, it's more like a joyful hop. Ready to make your move? Your dream home in a new state awaits.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope you would like to discuss it further. So if you would, please feel free to call me, Mitch Milat, Riviera Financial Mortgage, 424-290-8294. You can also email me, mitch@rivierafinancial.com. You can also find me on Instagram at Mitchell Milat, or on my Facebook homepage, Mitch Milat, Riviera Financial, Beverly Hills. Thank you so much. Look forward to talking to you soon and wishing you much success in the future.